Hey, it's Jaco here. Thanks for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to take a look at 10 tips for entrepreneurs, especially if it's for beginners, if you want to start online, what to think about, what to look at. Obviously, this is not a training. It's just a few tips to help you in the right direction. Right, let's get started. Now, tip number one, do what you like. You need to like what you do in order to be successful. Right, that is true. If you're passionate about something, it's a good place to start. But always remember this. Even if it doesn't matter how passionate you are about things you do or your specific niche or whatever, there will be things that you're gonna do that is not as nice to do. That is not a great thing that you won't like, and that's okay. It's part of business. There's always something in business that you do that you don't like to do, and as long as you keep in mind what the end result will be, what you want to achieve with it, it will be fine. You'll be okay. Right. Tip number two: be serious. You are your own boss. Treat your behavior accordingly. Right. Very important. When you start an online business, and you become an entrepreneur, it's not always easy. There's a lot of times you're on your own, and you need to set certain rules for yourself to when you're going to start with work, what are you going to do, your goals you want to achieve on that certain day, and that's important to do that. Otherwise, you will do all the things that you're not supposed to do, like checking out social media instead of actually do the set of work that needs to be done. Right, step number three, customer experience and satisfaction. Treat your customers the way like you want to be treated. That's very important. If you have, for example, an e-commerce business, you have, I don't know, a t-shirt business or whatever, and you're selling online, your customers always comes first. Even in traditional business, it's always been the case. Look after your customers and they will always come back and they will look after you. Right? Make sure that your support is there every step of the way. Right. Tip number 4. Network. No matter how sure you are in your skills, you will never make it alone. Reach out to people, especially you people that you see that are successful. Learn from them, find out how they did what they're doing, and keep on learning. Mingle with people and find out their successes and use it in your own business. It's very important to do that. Productivity, right? I spoke about it in the previous steps. If you want to succeed, you need to be doing the things that will help you achieve success on a daily basis. Right? Don't stop looking at social media when you're supposed to post something of value or share your new product or niche or talk about something during Facebook Live or on YouTube. Doesn't matter where you're doing it. Don't let social media or other things distract you. That is super important. If you have your goals for the day, make sure they are done before you do anything else or before you go on social media or TikTok and look at silly videos or whatever. That is important. If you aren't productive and do the things that need to be done every day, your success will take longer or you won't reach or become successful at all. All right. Tip number 6. Plan to fail. With any business, okay, so you need to prepare for the bumps on the road to success. That is true, but there will always be some hiccups, some problems, and that's okay. It's part of business. It helps you grow, it helps your business grow, and you can figure out how to sort out problems, and that makes you better, and makes you a better entrepreneur, and your business become better as well. So always remember there will become times when you feel like giving up, you make mistakes, and it's okay. Just sort it out and take it step by step. Tip number 7, ethics versus ambition. Be ambitious, but not if it makes breaking the law or hurting others. right? Be a good entrepreneur. Be ethical. Have good ethics. Don't try to steal from people, or don't sell them services and not, or at a certain price, but not offering the value that it's worth. Rather give more value than the actual price, and you'll get the returns on later more than you can ever thought of. So keep that in mind. And good ethics will always take you. People always talk, especially nowadays with social media. If you did words, we're not good to a customer, and you did not use good business practices, people will know about it. People will hear about it, and you will lose business. And in the end, there will be no business. So keep that in mind as well. Right, next up, visualization. If you can't see it, you will never not achieve it. That is so true. When you start your entrepreneur, your business and everything, set yourself a goal. Where do you want to be a year from now? How much money you want to earn? And if you set that much money, how much you want to earn between on that certain date, that's even not enough. You need to ask yourself, why do you want to earn that much money? And that's where all the visualization comes in. You want a fancy car, or you want to pay off your home. You want to spend more time with your family. You want to go on amazing trips flying first class. Doesn't matter what it is. All those things you need to visualize on a daily basis, and you need to feel it. You need to have that feeling, how awesome it feels to drive your new fancy car and it's all paid for. Something like that. You need to feel it. The universe speaks in feelings, in emotions. And that good feelings you need to feel as much as possible, as often as possible. All right, let's go to the next step. Adaptability. Change is inevitable, so learn to flow and bend when it comes to your business. That is so true, especially online. Things change so much. And you need to adapt, especially with marketing. There's always a new way to do marketing, especially on social media. I mean, as I make this video, the new big thing is TikTok at the moment. Everybody's going on TikTok, right? That's the new marketing place for network marketers, online marketers, affiliate marketers, and so on. So keep that in mind. Okay, and the last tip is altruism. Your vision for the future cannot only encompass you, right? It's not all about you. You need to think bigger. How many people you can reach, what you can do for customers, what value or service you can offer to your customers to grow even bigger. How many people you can help when you're successful. There needs to be a bigger picture than just yourself. And that's super important. Right, that was the last tip. So that was 10 tips for entrepreneurs. I hope you found that helpful. And thanks for watching this video. Please like and share it, subscribe for some future videos. Please let me know in the comments below if there's something that you would like me to talk about. You're more than welcome to do that. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.